Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I'm Daisy. So in this video I will going to teach you guys how could we introduce ourselves in Mandarin. That will include your name, your nationality and your age. For the age part, we will speak the number in Mandarin. So if you haven't learned how could we say numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in Mandarin, please check the link here. This video will teach you how could we say numbers in Mandarin. So now let's go! The first sentence we will learn is tell people your name. So I am Daisy. So I in Mandarin we call it 我. I'm in Mandarin we call it 是. So I am Daisy is 我是 Daisy. 我是 Daisy. If you are not really sure about the pronunciation and the tone, please go for the link on the top of our screen. That link will tell you how do you read the Mandarin pronunciation. So 我是 Daisy. That means I am Daisy. So now I will introduce to you what is 我, what is 是, okay? So 我 means I and me. I and me in English has two separate words. In Mandarin, we all call it 我 third tone 我. Next one 是 in English, if you change the subject, the verb will change, right? So you will say, oh, I am. You say I am Daisy, or like you are, or he is. So in English, I'm is are always change if we change the subject part, right? But for Mandarin, no. For Mandarin, no matter the subject is we or you or he, we only have one verb we call it 是, okay? It's am are, all means 是, also means to be, and also we do not have the past term for this verb. So in English, you may put ed or was were, right? In Mandarin, no. All the same thing, only one verb. So in this case, I can say our language for the grammar part is much easier than English for sure. All right, so now let us back here. So we know what is 我, what is 是, right? 我 I, me, 是 I means was were. So 我是 Daisy, that means I am Daisy. So if your name is Tom, you can say 我是 Tom. Right? So second sentence we will learn is tell people our nationality. This part is different with English. Okay, English for the nationality, you have independent word to describe it, right? Like Chinese, British, Japanese, you have one specific word for it. In Mandarin, no, we will use the country's name plus person to describe where I'm from. So if, for example, I'm Chinese, I will say I'm China person. That is how it works. China person, say country's name first and then say person. So person in Mandarin, we call it 人. You see, this one is like a people walking, right? Two legs, 2 feet, walking. So 人 means person. You just follow me, read it. 人, you can feel you just rolling your tongue back, right? 人. So country's name plus person. So for the country's name, they have English version, also have Mandarin version. Each country's name in Mandarin, we all have our Mandarin version of the country's name. But this part is super easy and simple. What we will do, we just break down of each syllable, emphasize it. For example, Italy, 3 syllable, right? Italy, in Mandarin we call it 意大利. You see, 意大利, Italy sounds really similar. So really, those two pronunciations really similar. Now I show you more. We can play a game. I speak the country's name in Mandarin and then you tell me the English. All right, but before that, let me give you one more example. The first one, London, we call it 伦敦. London, 2 syllable, right? We call it 伦敦. So next one, 英格兰. What 英格兰 can be? 英格兰 is England, right? All right. So next one, 芬兰. Take your time. 芬兰. Yep, Finland. Next one, 澳大利亚. This one can be a little bit hard, so take your time, think about it. 澳大利亚 The meaning is Australian, Australian. But some of countries, their name is different between English and Mandarin. Like this one, 美国，美国 means America. 英国，英国 means UK. So like you see, they all have the same character, right? 国 Guo means country. Guo means country. Mei means beautiful. So beautiful country, America. Yin is kind of a hero or brave. So brave country, UK. All right. So now let us play more game. Next one. How about 布达佩斯? Take your time. 布达佩斯 is Budapest, right? This one. 纽约, 纽约. This one is New York, right? So next one, 阿姆斯特丹. 阿姆斯特丹. Think about it. What it can be? That it means Amsterdam, right? So now if I am from Canada, so I will say Canada 人, right? So let's say Canadians. Canadians, that is Canada person. So in Mandarin we say it Canada. You see really similar. Canada, 加拿大, Canada. Break down the syllable. 加拿大 person, that is Canadians, right? 加拿大人, 加拿大人. So now you see here. So now I just let you guys review it again, all right? So 加拿大人, 人 person again, country's name plus person equivalent with nationality, right? 加拿大 plus person. All right, so 我是 still means I am. So if I say 我是加拿大人, that means I am Canadians. Now let us speak those two sentences together. For the 加拿大, you can change to your country's name. So first one I say 我是 Daisy. 我是加拿大人. Right now I tell them my name and my nationality. So if you're Tom and you're from Italy, you can say 我是 Tom. 我是意大利人. Always do not forget this 人. Okay, 我是意大利人. Alright, so next one, we will talk about the age part. If you have no idea how to count a number in Mandarin, see the link in the top of our screen. That video will teach you how to count numbers in Mandarin. 我是 still means I am. So 30, we call it 30. 30 is 30. 岁 means years old. Years old translate to Mandarin, we call it 岁. 岁. So follow me to read it. 岁, 岁. So if you feel struggling to make the 岁, you can just read sweet, but make it really fast. Sweet, 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 right? 岁. All right, so but why this 岁 means years old? There's a culture stories. You see, this character have two components, upper component and the lower component. So the upper component can be an independent character, means mountain. The lower component can be another independent character, means sunset. In my understanding, I think once we see more and more mountain and sunset, we definitely got age. That's the reason why, right? So as my age, I will say 我是30岁. 我是30岁. All right, so here I just try to make it easier when you listen it. So I will say 我是30岁. Okay, so now let us do a complete introduction. Tell them your name, your nationality, and your age. So I will say 我是 Daisy. 我是加拿大人. 我是30岁. If like there is a person name is Tom, is 27 years old, is from Italy, how do we think it? How could we say it? Take your time to think about it. All right, so now you follow me, okay? So they will say 我是 Tom, 我是意大利人, 我是27岁. All right, that is the way how could you introduce yourself in Mandarin in the easy, simple way. So if you want to introduce yourself to me, so you can type in the pronunciation Do not need typing the character, only typing the pronunciation of our character to introduce yourself for the name and the nationality and the age. Leave it as a command. Okay, I'm looking forward to those commands. All right, so now I believe you know how could you introduce yourself in Mandarin. And if you have any other specific topics that you want to learn, just leave a comment. We will make it as a video only for you. So if you find out my video was helped you to learn Mandarin, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. And I'm Daisy. I'm here for help you learning Mandarin. And see you guys every Friday at 6 p.m. 再见，拜拜，再见。